What's going on, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, which is actually the top of the line of the brand spanking new iPhone 11 models. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and of course, the brand new color, Midnight Green. So guys, anyway, I'm super duper excited to get this bad boy out of the box, obviously. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that, baby. Ooh.
Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO.
So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, we've got a beautiful picture of this new iPhone, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, right there in, of course, once again, that brand new color, Midnight Green. Also in this box, a cool thing is that it's black all over. Usually Apple boxes are white, so that's definitely a cool little special touch going on. And yeah, without further ado, let's get it out of this box, baby. So we can just pull right here on the tab. Oh yeah, take this off, very easy to remove. Thank you, Apple. And then let's pop it open and come on, come on, come on. There it is. Look how beautiful this phone is, folks. Oh my. Look at those three rear cameras. Look at this green back. And wow. Let's peel this plastic off, and here it is. Wow, first impressions, this definitely does feel heavier than my iPhone XS Max, which is my current phone, but I actually kind of like it, though. Being heavier, it feels more substantial, and with this matte back, too, especially that green color, it's almost like military, you know? I definitely like it. So let's see what else is in the box, okay? So right here, we've got some paperwork, blah, blah, blah. Over here, we got the standard Lightning ear pods if you want to listen to some music on this device, because obviously no headphone jack. What is it? It's 2019 now. No headphone jack, folks. Okay, and over here we got a Lightning to USB-C cable. Now, this is actually new for the iPhone 11 Pro phones. They come with a Lightning to USB-C cable instead of a Lightning to USB cable for charging them, as well as this right here. Now, this bad boy right here is actually an 18-watt fast charger, unlike the standard 5-watt chargers that have come with iPhones in the past. So that is definitely a very good thing. Finally getting some decent in-the-box charging from Apple. Thank you, Apple. But don't worry, this bad boy still supports wireless charging, which is what I'll probably be using most of the time. I love wireless charging. But yeah, anyway, folks, now that we've seen what is in the box, just this, some headphones, some paperwork, let's get to using this bad boy. And now, folks, I've got the beautiful iPhone 11 Pro Max all nice and set up, so let's get to playing with it. So if we bring it over here, I'll show you what is arguably, obviously, the biggest new feature of this phone, its new camera, or should I say, 3 cameras. That's right, because on the back of this phone, we've got 3 rear lenses. So let me tell you what each of the lenses do. Right here, we've got the standard lens. Apple calls it the wide camera lens. So yeah, what you're used to shooting with on an iPhone. Right here, we've got another lens you might be used to shooting with on an iPhone. We've got the 2x optical zoom telephoto lens. So for example, if you had an iPhone 10, an iPhone XS, an iPhone XS Max, you know how there are 2 lenses on the back of the phone, 2 cameras? Well, one is just that standard camera and one is telephoto. And now if we come over here, now this is the newest addition to the iPhone rear lenses. This is what Apple calls the ultra-wide camera. It is an ultra-wide lens. Basically, you know what that means? If you don't know what it means, it's like sort of if you took a step back, sort of getting more stuff in the frame, more stuff in the picture by having a wider angle that the camera can take a picture of. Anyway, guys, don't worry, we'll play with the camera in just a second, but before we do that, let me show you what else is new on the back of the phone. It's got now a matte finish instead of a glossy one. Don't worry, it is still made of glass because, like I said earlier, it supports wireless charging, so it's gotta. And yeah, I definitely like this new matte finish. Hopefully it'll mean less fingerprints on the back of the phone. I'm not a fan of fingerprints. Anyway, if we come over to the side of the phone, nothing new, but I'll show you anyway. Volume up button, volume down button, mute switch. Over here on this side, we got the side button if you want to talk to Siri. Over here on the top, nothing. Then if we come over here on the bottom, lightning port, speakers, you know the drill. And yeah, over here on the front, we got that beautiful whopping 6.5-inch screen. I love big phones. I love big screens. I've been super happy with the screen on my iPhone XS Max, so I bet I'm going to be super happy with this screen right here. And yeah, it's just beautiful like the rest of the phone. And if you might have noticed right there, look, my phone unlocks when I'm looking at it. Why is that? Because right here in the top notch, we've got that Face ID equipment. Yes, this phone has Face ID, and Apple actually says in this one, guess what? The Face ID is supposed to be up to 30% faster, and it's also supposed to work from some new angles. So that is definitely very, very cool. Obviously, we've also got a selfie camera in here too. If you're one of those people like me who likes to take pictures of yourself. Anyway, folks, let's fire up the camera app and let's get to looking at the cameras. So we can just open that bad boy up, and as you can see down here, it shows you which camera you're on. Right now it says 1x, so that means we're on the standard camera lens. We can take a picture right there. You guys can look at that. That's what the standard camera looks like. If we tap right here where it says 0.5, now guys, we're on the ultra wide lens, and as you can see, look, it's sort of zoomed out and you can see more of the Warenotice logo right here, even though I didn't move my phone. So we can take a picture of that. You guys can look at that picture. And if we come over here where it says 2, we can 2x optical zoom in. And obviously you guys can tell that's obviously zooming us in on the Warenotice logo. We can take a picture of that. You can really see the fine details of my beautiful logo. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys enjoy those pictures. Now, also while we're in the camera app, let's take a selfie, because why would I not want a beautiful selfie of myself in this video, right? Sexy Big Daddy Shane, you guys need some of that. So let me take a selfie. Boop, boop, boop. Cheese. And oh yeah, guys, look at that. How's that look? Do I look good? I hope so. I hope so. And speaking of selfies, a new thing actually with the new iPhone 11s is that you can take something called a slowfie, which is, guess what? A slow motion video selfie. So if you're into that, you can do that. I'm gonna try taking one right now just for you guys, because it's a new feature. We got to do it. So you can access it by coming over here to slow-mo just while it's on the selfie camera. And as you can see, let's do it. So I'm pointing at myself and let's go. Big Daddy Shane. And okay, let's watch it back right now. Go. And if that isn't attractive, folks, I don't know what is. So hopefully you guys enjoy having that in your life. I bet you weren't expecting to watch that when you clicked iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. Or maybe you were, because maybe you knew that the slowfie is one of the new features on this guy. But yeah, so anyway, folks, my first impressions of this phone, I mean, I really like it. I'm super duper happy actually that this is going to be my new daily driver, as we in the tech industry say, the phone that we have in our pockets, the phone we use every day, the main phone. And yeah, I will say I was a little nervous that the rear cameras, those 3 rear cameras, that they'd be ugly, but now seeing them in person, I will just say they're super duper sexy. I mean, this is an insanely sexy phone. And that midnight green too, I was a little nervous about it. I was debating to either get this color or the gold color, but then I'm like, you know what, I might as well get the new color. I mean, it's my job to review the newest tech. I'll get the newest color. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm super duper happy with what I got. I'm happy I took the chance, because this phone, this just looks awesome. You know, because like if you see someone just making a phone call with those 3 rear cameras, that midnight green all poking out at you, you got to know they're a boss. You got to know they've got it going on. They've got it under control. You know, $1 million deals. That's the look I'm giving off when I'm talking on this phone, you know? So yeah, I feel super duper cool. I'm super happy. I get very excited about new iPhones, if you guys couldn't tell. And yeah, so if you want one of these for yourself, the 11 Pro Max, it starts at $10.99. Unfortunately, not $10.99. That'll be $1,099. So not exactly cheap. It comes in a 64 gigabyte configuration, a 256 gigabyte configuration, which is what I have right here, and a 512 gigabyte configuration. Also comes in 4 different colors. So once again, this is the midnight green. In addition to, it has gold, it has space gray, and it has silver. So a bunch of different options for you guys. That is pretty cool. And yeah, with that, folks, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This sexy dude right here. So anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel right here for more awesome technology YouTube videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, baby. Ooh.